So normally when we are discussing about latches and flip-flops, we normally make use of two terms. One is present state and the other one is next state. Okay, so we normally represent a present state with q of t. T refers to time, q refers to present state, and the next state refers to q of t plus propagation delay. This is a symbol of propagation delay. So this will be q. After one transaction, what is the output you are going to get? That will be the next state. Right now this will be a present state. After passing values with respect to s and r and passing through these gates, what is the output you are going to get? That will be your next state. Okay, got the difference between present state and next state. Right now the q is present state, q of t. After one transaction, what is the next thing you are going to get? That is your next state. So we represent present state with q of t and the next state with q of t plus propagation delay. This is a propagation delay symbol, present state, next state. Okay, so this is a equation. Look at this equation. To get the next state, q of t plus propagation delay. So what is the thing you need? You need the output of q to be passed on to the input of this NOR gate, and for this NOR gate, what is the other input? S and the output of q. That is what I have written, s of t plus q of t. S of t plus q of t. S of t, q of t is here. This will be your q of t. This will be your s of t plus. So these two refers to p. S of t plus q of t. Q of t plus s of t, both combined together, you are going to get p. That I have written here. The output of p is connected to the input of this NOR gate that contains the other input is r. That is what I have written, r into the output of this p. This is p, right? This is to get p, you need q of t plus s of t. Q of t is from the feedback line. This is p, right? So to get q of the next state, you need the input r. The output of this NOR gate will be the next state of q. For this input of NOR gate, one is r is the input. That is what I have written, r of t, and the other input is the output of this NOR gate. That is what I have written, p. P refers to this one. So I have just multiplied r of t into s of t plus r of t into q of t. Okay, so this equation can also be written as rather than writing q of t plus propagation delay, I have written q plus. Q refers to present state, q plus refers to next state. Okay, this I removed t here, so written rs, this rq. Okay, p s of t and q of t, removed s of q. Okay, removing t, that's it. So up to here I think you are clear. So next what you are supposed to do is look at this table. So they have taken s and r are the inputs. So q refers to present state, q plus refers to the next state. Okay, so like they passed the truth table, 3 input truth table, like 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 0, like this, all these inputs, right? So this q refers to present state, q plus refers to next state. So if the present state is 0, what happens to the next state? This is what you are supposed to define in this table. Okay, in the previous table you have in the previous video here, just we have came to know, like when the s is equal to 0, r is equal to 0, no change, means it retains its previous state. If the previous state of q is 0, it will be 0. If the previous state of q is 1, it will be 1. In the next, if s is equal to 1, r is equal to 0, so no matter what, whatever the previous state, if the previous state is 0, it will change to 1. If the previous state is 1, it will be 1 itself, when s is equal to 1 and s is equal to r is equal to 0. When s is equal to 0 and r is equal to 1, no matter what, whatever the previous state might be, if the previous state is 1, it will change to 0. If the previous state is 0, it will be 0 itself. That is reset state. What happens when s is equal to 1 and r is equal to 1? This is an undecidable state, like unconditional, and these inputs are not allowed. Okay, I already told why it's not allowed. We are not able to decide whether it should be 0 or 1, and in the previous all this transaction always p and q are complement to each other, but in this condition this is not possible. Okay, so keeping this table in mind, we need to answer this now. So when s is equal to 0, r is equal to 0, what happens? No change, right? So no change means present state is 0 and the next state should be also 0, no change. It retains its, this is a present state, this is a next state. I can also tell this is a previous state or present state. This can be told as previous state or present state. This is next state. So q plus, when s is equal to 0, r is equal to 0, q plus next state will retain its previous state. What is the previous state is 0, so next state will be also 0. When s is equal to 0, r is equal to 0, if the previous state is 1, what would be the next state? It retains its previous state, again it will be 1. Okay, when s is equal to 0, r is equal to 1. When r is equal to 1, we call as reset state. So what happens with reset state? It will set to 0, no matter what, whatever the previous state might be, it will reset to 0. When s is equal to 0, r is equal to 1, the previous state is 0, it will set to 0 itself. When s is equal to 0, r is equal to 1, previous state is 1, it will change to 0, because when r is equal to 1, it will reset to 0, no matter what, whatever the previous state it might be. I call it as a reset state. When s is equal to 1, r is equal to 0, what is that? Set state. So no matter what, whatever the previous state it might be, it will be set to 1. When s is equal to 1, r is equal to 0, if the previous state is 1, it will be 1 itself. Okay. So these two states, s is equal to 1 and r is equal to 1, s is equal to r is equal to 1, these two are not possible, right? So the inputs are not allowed here. So this table, so based on this table, they have plotted a cube map here. This 0 0 0 1 0 0 like 0 1 1 1, so they have plotted a k map here. This output q plus output, and they have grouped. For this group, this quad, you are going to get s. For this pair, you are going to get rq. So they return the same. You got this expression for that one. Q plus next state is equal to s plus rq. For this quad, you are going to get s, and for this pair, you are going to get rq. The same thing they have written, s plus rq. So the next state will be q plus is equal to s plus rq. This is the state you are going to get by this truth table. Okay. So keeping this in mind, we need to fill this table. We have a table here. So SR, different possible output, SR when 0 0, SR when 0 1, SR 1 1, SR 1 0. This is the next state. This is a present state. SR is equal to 0 0, SR is equal to 0 1, SR is equal to 1 1, SR is equal to 1 0. So if the present state is 1, what will be the next state? If the present state is 1, what will be the next state? So by looking the present state, you need to fill the next state, right? So I will write the circuit diagram here. So you need to concentrate properly here. I can't write the same circuit diagram again and again. I will be overlapping the things. So don't get confused. This table present output of P points to here. This table present output of P points to here. This Q next state Q plus will be pointing towards here. Okay. Look at here. When S and R is 0 and 0. 0 and 0 means it retains its previous state. So when S and R is 0 0, what is P? This is a P. The value is P refers to P is 1. When S and R is 0 0, P is equal to 1. So let me write S is equal to 0, R is equal to 0. What is P here? P is 1. So when this P is 1, this will be 1, right? So 1 and 0 in case of NOR gate, what happens? 1 and 0 in case of NOR gate is 0, right? So Q will be 0. So right, this is the next state, right? Q will be 0. So when S is equal to 0, R is equal to 1, when P is equal to 1. When S is equal to 0, R is equal to, make it 1. P is equal to 1, right? Write this as 1, okay? So this will be 1 and 1 will be 0, right? 1 and 1. 1 and 1 will be 0 in case of NOR gate. So this Q will be 0 again, right? The next state will be 0. When S is equal to 1, R is equal to 1, P is equal to 0. When S is equal to 1, R is equal to 1, P is equal to 0. P is 0. Okay. Let me write 0 here. 0 and 1. What will be the output? 0 and 1. It will be 0, right? So again it will be 0. So write 0 here. when s is equal to 1, r is equal to 0, sr is equal to 0. When s is equal to 1, r is equal to 0 and p is equal to 0. 0 and 0, q will be 1. Why q will be 1? When s is equal to 0, r is equal to 0, q will be 1. Q will be 1, so this will be 1. Similarly, next, when s is equal to 0, r is equal to 0, p is equal to 0. P is equal to 0, s is equal to 0, r is equal to 0. 0 and 0 will be 1. Write this as 1. Then s is equal to 0, 1, 0, make it 1. P is equal to 0, p is equal to 0. 0 and 1, it will be 0. So write it as 0. This is 0, 1 and 1. This should be 1, this should be 1, and this is 0, right? 0, 0 and 1, again 0, write it 0. Okay, next, last 1, 0. This is 1, this is 0, and this is 0. 0 and 0, it will be 1. So write it 1. So this is a table of next state. What happens if the present state p is equal to when your input 0 0 passed and p is equal to 1 so inputs s r 0 0 ಇದ್ದು p 1 ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ 0 1 ಇದ್ದು p 1 ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ಥರ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ದಿರೋದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೌ ದ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಲುಕ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಟೇಬಲ್ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ರಿಟನ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಓಕೆ.